Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll learn how to create an open lead/opportunity from a contact. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Contacts app, which is the little book with a bust icon. Select one of your contacts. Click on the box that has a little star and says Opportunities. There are two options to create an open lead/opportunity. You can either click on the little plus sign next to where it says Open Leads or just click on Create. Since we decided to create this open lead/opportunity from an already existing contact in our system, there's some information that automatically populates and we won't have to manually add it ourselves. We have the customer that this lead is being created from. We also have the name given to this new lead. By default, it's the customer's name and the word opportunity. If a customer asks you for a quote in different material types, changing the opportunity's name to the specific material types requested comes in really handy. We also have the contact's email and phone number. We can set the expected revenue if we have that information. And finally, we can also set the priority for this lead. There are three options available: medium, high, and very high. If we click on Add, that's all it takes for this new opportunity to appear in our open leads bin in our CRM automated dashboard. If you wish to add further information to this opportunity, click on Edit. Here, you may assign a specific salesperson to the opportunity. Add an expected closing date. Utilize tags to easier identify and find a specific lead. You can assign a CRM manager and choose the correct job type. You may also specify or add the source of the lead. This is very useful if you want to run later reports and for metrics. Don't forget to hit save to complete the process. Let's verify that this new opportunity that we just created appears in the CRM dashboard and we're all set. So this is how we create an open lead/opportunity from an already existing contact in Elite Technique. Thank you very much.